Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you read by the thumbnail, not title, thumbnail, that I am completing 1 year on YouTube today. So I'm gonna edit the video today itself and upload the video today itself. And I'm hoping that I am able to vlog the entire day because I'm very bad at vlogging and also ignore me. I need to shower. I haven't get showered. I was just sitting in my video and I thought I should do something for myself because I'm completing 1 year on YouTube today. So I thought I would do something for myself. And yeah, first things first, that I'm gonna clean my bedroom. Like I'm gonna clean my bedroom and then I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna do some decoration for myself, like self-party, self-appreciation type of thing. So that's the plan for today. Basically, I have decided that I would first clean my bedroom, add new bed sheet, and then I'm gonna take a shower and then decor, like put some lighting on the wall, and then I'm gonna film some videos for myself, and then I'm gonna go down and get myself a cake, not a full cake. I've thought of making a cake myself, but I'm a bit too lazy to make a cake right now. So I'm gonna go down. The cake shop is nearby only, so I'm gonna buy myself a pastry, not more, only one pastry and something to eat. And I'm gonna do a self party today. So that's the plan for today. And look at this, guys. They're so red now. Like, my acne is not doing any good. It's not going only, it's just increasing, or it's leaving the scars and it's not going back. But this has definitely reduced. This was a big whole black patch over here and now it's going, thankfully. I don't know how, but it's going. I'm very happy about that. So yeah, let's go first clean the bedroom and then we'll mop and sweep and mop, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Then we're gonna go with the rest of the day. You guys will see it. So let's go. क्या मस्त लग रहा है बे लाइटिंग। ऐसा लाइटिंग मेरे घर पे क्यों नहीं आता? मेरे घर पे लाइट अच्छा है भाई, घर पे लाइट नहीं अच्छा आता बे। तो जब भी वीडियो चालू करती हूँ ना, काला काला दिखता है। मेरा कैमरा तेरे को गोला करेगा। मेरा कैमरा में ब्यूटी मोड है। Yeah. सोळा वर्षाचे नाही तर आपण एवढे थकले. आय मीन 17. तू छोटी आहे विसरली ना म्हणून 16. 16च तू आता 17 होणार तू.
4 वर्ष झाली 16च आहे.
हे चुप बस. काय? Okay, so I'm back home and I'm all sweaty now. I'm gonna sit under the fan and I'm gonna film one makeup video now. I bought all the stuff that I needed. I wanted to eat or do, and my Amazon parcel is also here. I'll unbox it after sometime in the vlog only. There's nothing much. There is one thing, but still I'm gonna unbox, and there are few more parcels coming in. So hopefully I will do a mini haul in this video. So let's see. I'll show you my makeup video. Wow, wait. Okay, look, so I am I'm not very like मुझसे control नहीं हो रहा है. So I'm gonna open the Amazon parcel right away, and I'm gonna open the other parcels. Other time I have sanitized this, and I'm gonna open this parcel now. Because this top, I'm eyeing this top for very long time. It's a top, by the way. I'm eyeing this top for a very long time, and hopefully it fits me. Cause yeah. Let's see. That's the white. Here's the white top. So this is the first look of it. So let's see how it is. I have bought in the size XS. Hopefully it fits me. So this is the top. It's quite tiny and cute. I like it. So let's try it out how this looks like, and it has full sleeves. That's very good. So let's try it out. I'll try and be back. Okay, so this is how the top looks like, and I'm so much in love with this top. Like, oh my god, this is so cute and pretty. Like, this is translucent, not transparent. It's translucent and see-through. As you guys can see, you can see through this. So you need to wear something under this which wouldn't do the color calm. Like, it won't be very much very attractive color. Like I have worn like pink. You can wear inside black, white, or nude. Go for nude, the best. So now this is so cute. Yeah. If you want, I'll leave the link to this top down in the description box if you want. And this fits so perfectly. When I opened it, I thought it wouldn't fit me enough, and this is fitting me so much. Now I'm gonna make videos in this top only. So let's go. Let's make some content. And I'll open the other packages when they come. Like when they'll come, I'll open it in front of you all if they are my packages. I have ordered one baggy jeans, and I think that would look very cute below these. So let's go and make some videos. Bye. I'll see you all in a while. I'm happy with this purchase. Like very, 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 very happy. I'm proud that I made this purchase. And ignore my hair, like they are very wet from inside, like they are very sweaty because I just went down and came up. So very sweating. So we are gonna film the videos. Let's go. So it's pretty late after the last scene you saw. After that, I made a video. I made quite a lot of videos for my Instagram, and I attended my college. Now it's currently 4:15. I ate my lunch. I attended my college. I made some videos, and now I have few more packages to open. As I said, there are few more packages to come. So I have few more packages to open. So I thought I'll just unbox them in front of y'all. Most of the things aren't mine. They are my sister, which I bought them for my sister because she just passed out of 10 and she got really good grades. So we bought something for her, like some clothes for her. So I'm gonna just unpack the clothes. In here I have only one thing of mine, and the rest of are my sisters, I suppose, I believe, because today my only one parcel was gonna come. Let's see. First of all, I'll show you my thing, like what's mine in here. Like I just have one jeans in here, and which I am very excited about. Actually, in here are 3 jeans. Jeans no. 2 jeans and 1 top, and I'm not gonna open them for y'all, like, because they are not mine, they are my sister's. So yeah, this is the first jeans that I bought for my sister, and here's a black top that I bought for my sister, and here's the jeans which is mine. So I'm gonna open my jeans and I'm gonna wear it and show you right away. Yeah, if you are wondering what kind of jeans it is this color jeans, like it's a dark blue washed jeans and pretty plain black t-shirt. And my jeans are a bit different. Mine is boyfriend jeans. I was waiting for this package for so long, like I can't even tell you for how long I have been waiting for this. I ordered this top after this package, but this top came first. This is my jeans, and this is really soft, and it has fringes over here and 2 shade denims. And I guess this is gonna be little too big for my waist. Rest I'll wear it, but this is gonna be a little too big for my waist. Even though it says it's 26, it's not 26. Okay, guys. But look at the jeans. Let's wear it. I'll wear it and show it to you all. First, let me open the other package also. I have one more package over here, and I know what's in here. Not for me. Nothing for me. Hopefully, I'm just gonna open it because why not? जो बहन का है वो मेरा है. Here's another jeans for her, which has strips on her side because she never wears fashionable jeans. So this time I have decided that I'm gonna give her clothes like me. So this is the second jeans. It's a black, red and white striped jeans over here, and there's one more t-shirt in here. This is the t-shirt, and actually this t-shirt looks quite good. It's a ribbed t-shirt, ribbed net t-shirt. So yeah, that's it. I'm not going to open anything because it's all her, and I'll give it to her. Maybe we are meeting this week, I don't know. So I'll give it to her. Now I'll try my jeans and be back and show you my outfit. Guys, I'm so much disappointed with this jeans. Like, it's super loose. Like, see this, it's this much loose. Like, literally my entire hand can go and come out twice. It's that loose. Like, no one is, if your waist is 26, then it should be smaller, no? If you are stitching a 26 jeans, then the waist should be smaller. And this waist is like literally so much gap in here, and it has a weird fit. I don't know, it has a really weird fit also for me, and it's super loose. It comes till here and it's very loose. I don't like it. I'm gonna most probably return it back because it's super loose, like very loose and long for me. So I'm gonna just return it maybe, or I can just work it out by just tailoring it, or maybe I can get it tailored or something. But it fits really weird. Wait, I'll show you in the video. As you guys can see, this fits really weird. Like, hello, I know it's supposed to be boyfriend jeans, but what is this? Like, look at this top. This tops fit me like heaven. And look at these jeans. Like, I don't like this jeans. I'm gonna return this and get another one. Not this one, mostly I'm gonna get another one, or maybe I'll get it tailored and I'm gonna stitch the down part also because I don't like that fringes thing going. So let's see. I'll wait for my mom to come and then I'll see what to do with this. I'm just gonna take my makeup off, change into very comfy clothes, and I'm gonna cut a cake for myself, like for completing 1 year on YouTube, cause why not? So yeah, let's do it. Now I'm gonna change into clothes, remove my makeup, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I love to be alone. because I can do crazy stuff. Guys, I got myself a pastry as I said. So I'm gonna cut that pastry for myself and give an appreciation to myself because I never stick to doing any work for this long. So I have been doing YouTube for 1 year now. Like, it's crazy for me. Like, you get the point. So I'm gonna just first open the pastry and then I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna eat it and then I'm gonna enjoy it by myself. Woo-hoo. Like, I enjoyed myself today a lot. Like, a lot means a lot. Only part in that was like I have to make videos, but that's okay because that also make me happy. Oopsie, it got stuck. Oh, they have given me a spoon, but never mind. I'm gonna show you what pastry I bought. I bought a zebra pastry because I like the zebra style cake. Wait, it's the pastry that I bought for myself. It's a zebra pastry, and I know the butter paper is sticking. I'll just separate them. So this is how the pastry looks like, and now I'm gonna enjoy it and have it all by myself, and I'm gonna play some songs and enjoy myself. And then I have classes in few times, so yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my pastry. See you guys later.
You want me, I want you, baby.